Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here, and Garnier fructis sent me another PR box. If you guys don't know how I got my first PR box from Garnier fructis, I made this video and then they sent me a whole PR package for this one, and I'm just really thankful because they're one of the brands that I started using when I first started wearing my hair natural. This is not my natural hair, by the way. We're just doing the unboxing, and then when I take this down, we will do the whole hair care routine. Okay, so let's get into this. What I'm most excited about for this is that I feel like they're listening to me. I have been a huge proponent of like shampoo deep conditioner. So let's open it, and wow, it's like a full, you know, so they're showing all the different hair types here, and then we have, of course, how to use it on here. So starting with the shampoo, and as soon as you open the box, you guys, it smells so good. So this is the Method for Curls up to 72-hour moisture shampoo. This has hyaluronic acid in it, and it also has shea fatty acids. In the previous video, there was another product that also had hyaluronic acid in it. So hyaluronic acid is definitely making its way into hair care, and Garnier fructis is on trend. So this is sulfate free and silicone free, which is super exciting for my hair. It's vegan, cruelty free, it has glycerin, it has shea butter. So it's gonna be shea butter and shampoo. This is gonna be really moisturizing. I'm gonna show you guys how it comes out here. Ooh, okay. Super, yeah, super moisturizing. It's gonna sud and all that. I know this is weird because I'm not in the shower, but just bear with me. Let's get on to the thing I am most excited for, and that is this deep conditioner. Now, I literally feel like they were listening to me, you guys, because they didn't send a regular conditioner. They just sent this mask. This is the moisture filling mask. It has hyaluronic acid, no sulfates. Why would a conditioner have that? No silicones. Glad it doesn't have that, and no artificial colorants. So after shampoo, you use this on damp lengths, and look at how thick and juicy that is. It probably got a little like moved over in shipping. It's okay. It looks like it's gonna have a lot of slip because it's already moving down. Okay, it's already sliding down, so it's probably gonna have a lot of slip. I'm super excited to wash my hair. I just did my hair last week, so it's gonna be a second, but I'm super excited for this. And then step 3 is going to be the spray. It's the moisture refreshing spray. It gives curls moisture shot to revive bounce and elasticity. It has that hyaluronic acid. It has those shea fatty acids. So it's really just supposed to lock up your curls and keep them moisturized for 48 hours. So thank you so much, Garnier, for sending me this box. I am super excited to give it a try. I personally love Garnier fructis products. You guys can go on my channel and check out those other videos I talked about, but they have been a staple in my hair care routine. It's just like a quick drugstore product that you can grab, and you know it's going to do good to your hair. I really liked the bond filler. If you guys haven't seen that, please go watch the video. It left my hair beautiful. So yeah, I am super excited to try this on my natural hair, but just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys to see. So of course I will link everything below. Another big thank you to Garnier fructis for sending me this, and I can't wait to get the curly video up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.